Zimbabwe's new gold-backed currency, the ZiG, strengthened the day after its debut, even as it roared commerce nationwide as banks, retailers, and utilities battled to switch to the new unit. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. It gained 0.2% to 13.53 per US dollar, according to data published on the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's website on Tuesday. It began trading Monday at 13.56 per dollar, using an exchange rate announced by Governor John Mushavano during last Friday's unveiling of the nation's latest effort to create a functioning local currency. The ZiG, short for Zimbabwe Gold, is the currency's sixth attempt to resuscitate the national unit. Its predecessor, the Zimbabwe dollar, lost value every trading day this year before being abandoned 5th April. The new currency is backed by 2,522 kilograms of gold and about $100 million in foreign currency reserves, which the central bank said it holds. In today's news, Zimbabwe's new ZiG currency strengthens on second day of trading. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.